Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to our channel Mathematics. So our today topic is LCM by long division method. In our previous videos we have discussed about the two ways to finding LCM, which one is prime factorization and the multiple method. So our today's topic is division method. We have to find the LCM by the division method. This is similar to the prime factorization method. First of all, we have to write the prime numbers at your rough side. First 5 to 6 prime numbers are here: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, and up to so on. So basically the long division method, we have to write the all number in a sequence in a row, like 36, 27, and 18. We just have to see the first prime number, which is 2. So we are looking here if the first, second, or third number is divisible by 2 or not. If any one number is divisible by 2, we have to do the division here. 36 6 is the even number. Last में अगर even number है which is divisible by 2, so whole number is divisible by 2. So we can see the 36 is divisible by 2 and 18 is also divisible by 2. So we are doing a division here. 2 ones are 2 and 1 left. 16, 2 eights are 16. 27 as it is आ जाएगा if it is not divisible by 2. As you can see, the 7 is the odd number, so this is not divisible. This whole number is not divisible by 2. So 27 as it is हमारे पास ऐसे ही आ जाएगा. And the next one number is 18, which is divisible by 2. As you know, 2 nines are 18. So in the next sequence we can see the 18 is divisible by 2, but 27 and 9 is not. But we can do the division by the 2. 2 nines are 18, 27 as it is, and 9 as it is, as they both are odd number. Now we are coming with all the odd numbers, so we can shift to the next prime number, which is 3. 9 is divisible by 3, 27 is divisible by 3, and 9 is again divisible by 3. So we do a division with the table of 9. 3 threes are 9, 3 nines are 27, and 3 threes are 9. Again, these three numbers are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and 3 ones are 3. And again, this one is divisible by 3. 1 is here, 3 ones are 3, and 1. When we come with the all 1, 1, and 1 here, we will stop our prime factorization here. And now we are writing the multiples of these three numbers. Multiples of 36, 27, and 18 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we just have to simply multiply them all. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 18, 18 threes are 54, and 54 threes are, we just have to do a simple multiplication and write our answer, which is 162. So we can find the LCM by long division method like this. This is and here is a tip: you just have to start with the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number, if the number in the row is divisible by the smallest prime number, then you can divide those number and left the remaining one. अगर odd number है कोई, उसको छोड़ दें और जो 2 से divide हो रहे हैं उनको divide कर लें. And then again with 2, अगर कोई divisible है. If not, then come to the 3. And if not by 3, then come to the 5 and the next prime number. So you have basically remember all the prime number for this method and the prime factorization method. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. Kindly subscribe our channel and watch our videos and like our videos.